My name is Ruud Zaitok. I am Operations Manager and Managing Director at Joost Slippens Wieswaren in picturesque Alkmaar. I'm an old hand in this business and have been working successfully with Wiba for more than 20 years. Working with Wiba has always been very easy for me. You buy a machine, plug it in, and it runs. We chose a line consisting of Texture Slicer and Wiba pick robots because it is very compact and fits in this not very big space. We are automating more processes because it increases efficiency and quality while reducing personnel. The collaboration with Slippens on this project went very well. Slippens chose a compact solution. We have a small footprint, flexibility, only for product input staff on the line, and the pickers do the rest. So Slippens is very grateful for this nice project from Wiba and Texture.
Dus de firma Slippens is zeer erkentelijk met dit mooie project van de firma Wiba Textal.